The venue always plays a role with regard to the type of event that we have and the fact that we're going to be in Munich rather than London, so it brings a different dynamic. There's a laser focus with regard to digital and what digital can do for the printers. And then also as well, it links into our campaign. Dive Deeper into Digital is all about making the printers understand all the variety of options which are available for them and really enabling them to bring something away from the show which is going to help their business. Every single year we have a show, we need to try and make it better and better. And the key thing with regard to making it better is listening to a criticism. We've still got 3,000 people through the doors on the features with regard to London, but we want to make sure we try and concentrate that knowledge sharing. And so therefore this year we're looking at 4 hubs, very specifically looking at a variety of things. Textile, which I know that you're very keen on, digital, and then the wrap side of things and the sign side of things. So it's really key that we have a concentrated education and networking events for the digital market. The way that we look at it is there's so many ways in which you can engage from the fabric and the textile side of the business. We've got over 70 exhibitors who are looking at that space and probably more who are looking into that space in future years. So it's really key, I think, moving forward that we actually provide this variety, whether it be garment printing, whether it be interior decor, whether it be soft signage, really looking at all the options which you can do from textile. And we're truly committed to making sure we provide a show and a product for those people to really engage with that sector of the market. And I think that what's happening from a textile perspective is that there's a burgeoning demand and people are really realising across the breadth of all the textile applications what's available. And I think as that's beginning to dawn on the variety of printers and the people who supply the machines which make the printed material, is actually suddenly there's a real push for it. And I've noticed a lot more. I think you just did something on Talk Print today, which was really interesting, talking about all these different applications which are coming through. And I think that's why suddenly people are realising how flexible, how strong it is, and how digital can now give you a purely personalised approach with regard to printing on that type of product. We represent an industry of over 200,000 printers around the world, 37 associations. And the key thing from our perspective is that we focus on providing the answers to our community about what the future is. What are the opportunities out there? Interior decor, whether it be a variety of different things from non-printed signage. And so therefore our job is to make sure we serve the community. And it's not about whether we're bigger than any of our competitors. In fact, we don't look at those. We've got to make sure at the end of the day the stakeholders saying you're providing what we want to see, and that's what it's about. I would like the printers, or just any printer who goes to the show, anybody in the industry can walk away from that show with one idea which is going to change their business and is going to change it for the better, so that they can go away and say that really made an impact on mine. I've dove deeper more into digital and I've really understood an opportunity and I've taken that back to my premises and really changed my business for the better.